How's it going, everyone? Quick video. It's going to show an update on what these Motordyne art pipes look like after I took them off. Been about, I would guess, 25,000 miles on them. Here's one of them. To my surprise, there's no cracks, no stress cracks from what I can see. All still looks really great. I'm actually selling these tomorrow, so I got to ship them out. There's one side. Here's the other side. Not too bad. The only thing I'm not sure of is these were the version 2s or version 3s. I don't remember. Got them back in like 2013, so I don't know if that's when the V3s came out or not, but yeah. And guess I'll throw in some stock exhaust manifold action right here. Pretty cool. Yeah, well, just a little quick video to show you how they held up.